Alright, Dave's taking passengers. Not a good idea. I've been for 5 minutes. Yep. Alright, truck versus cars, I guess. And since I'm a Ford fan, I'm betting on the truck.
There we go!
Alright.
Ford rules, Chevy and Dodge suck!
Alright. Yeah, get the tractor, Eugene!
What?
Get the fucking tractor, you're stuck! Oh!
Oh!
What happened?
I think we fell in the window. Oh no, we fell in the hood. I forgot there was no motor.
Right on. He's stuck already. Oh yeah!
Pick it up.
Oh, fucking Jesus. No.
Hey! Ford rules. Hope it starts. Oh.
Hit it again!
That makes me feel better.